Hello everyone. Today I am going to explain the future continuous tense. I think you all have watched my previous videos where I discussed all the four forms of present tense, all the four forms of past tense and simple future tense. So today we will learn a very important lesson, the future continuous tense. Just look at once the three types of tenses like present continuous tense, past continuous tense and future continuous tense. Now you tell me what is the similarities have between these three types of tenses? Let me share it. Actually, there is a one similarity between these three types of tenses, that is their continuous action. Okay, it means their actions are going on continuously. Clear? Let me give some examples to make you understand properly. If I say, I am reading book now. So what is the meaning of this? I am reading book now. It means I am reading book now and I am talking about the action at the same time. So that's why this is called present continuous tense. But if I say I was reading yesterday, what is the meaning of this? It means the action was going on in the past moment. It means the action was going on in the past time. Okay. So this is called past continuous tense. But now I am going to give an example of future continuous tense. So listen to me very carefully. If I say, I will be reading tomorrow, what is the meaning of this? I am not saying I will read tomorrow. I am saying I will be reading tomorrow. If I say I will read tomorrow, it means I am saying about the simple future moment. I am saying about the simple future tense. But as I am saying here, I will be reading tomorrow, it means I am talking about future continuous tense. I will be reading tomorrow, it means I will start reading and it will be continued till an expected time in the future moment. Clear? So you have to know the structure of future continuous tense properly to knowing the meaning of my example. So what is the structure of future continuous tense? Subject plus auxiliary verb shall or will plus be plus present form of the main verb with ing plus object. So I am saying I will be reading tomorrow. Clear? Now what is the definition of future continuous tense? So the future continuous tense is used to express actions and thought that are imagined to be going on in the future time. Clear? Let me give one more example. If I say, they will be working there tomorrow. What is the meaning of this? I am not saying they will work there tomorrow. I am saying they will be working there tomorrow. It means they will start working and it will be continued till an expected time in the future. Clear? So I think I have made myself clear, but I would like to recommend you one thing. Please practice every day and please do watch all tenses step by step, because it is very necessary to knowing all the concepts properly. Because if you direct watch these videos, definitely you will face a lot of trouble to understand, to grab the concepts about all tenses properly. So before watching these videos, please watch my previous videos. In fact, there are a lot of videos on English grammars are available on YouTube channel. So you can watch any kind of videos about English grammar. So it is very effective to knowing all the concepts properly. Okay. And as well as another thing I would like to suggest you, please practice at your home. Just you read book and you watch videos, it is not enough to clear all the concepts properly. Okay, you have to practice at your home. It means take a notebook and do practice every day. At least 10 sentences or 15 sentences. Okay, so it is very effective way to grabbing all the lessons, all the concepts of tenses properly. Clear? And if you have wish to accustom to use all the tenses in your day-to-day life of English speaking, then definitely I would like to recommend you, please practice at your home. Okay, I am not sure practice can make a man perfect or not, but I am sure practice can make a man good to great. Okay. So now I am taking your leave, and I think you all have enjoyed the lesson today, and I will be back with a new lesson with my new videos. Thank you.